parking lot. We're out here with our 2019 Ford Ranger. We're going to take you through this quick. There's a lot going on. The cruise is happening right behind Jordan here, so there might be a little noise, but we're going to try our best to go through our Ford Ranger because, you know, the Dream Cruise is presented by Ford. So here we'll start from the bottom because obviously the bottom of it is the most important with the Atturo tires. We have the 35 by 12.5 18 MTSs on some really cool custom painted green black rhino Barstow wheels. It's a really great look, matches the awesome vinyl wrap we have on this truck. We got the Raptor leaving behind us. It's crazy out here. It's been a wild day. We've been out here since like 7 in the morning. Vehicles coming in and out, people cruising. So we got the tires on it, but we're going to work from the bottom up because there's so much onto this vehicle. And then you come up, you got the Baja Designs light bar. This is a 50-inch light bar, puts out a ton of light. And then we got 2 Baja Design Squadron Pros in the bumper with the yellow fog covers. And that all sits inside our ADV Stealth Fighter bumper. Underneath, to give this thing the aggressive stance it has, we have the Fox 2.5 coilover kit with some Ibach 700-pound springs, and then a BDS upper control arm. And then in the back, we have a 1.5-inch Ibach lift block under the stock leaf spring for now with some Fox 2.5 shocks in the back. Then if you work your way up, obviously this Ranger is significantly wider than a standard Ford Ranger. We have the ADV fiberglass kit on the entire truck. It looks great. It gives it a nice aggressive stance. Really stands out with a custom vinyl wrap on it done by the graphics company. Dan's doing a burnout, so Joy better pan over to that. That's great. That's great. One other burnouts in the background. But I told him we're doing this in one take, so we're not going to stop. As you continue on to the rest of the truck, I don't even know if I can keep going, but I'm going to. We have the RTR grill with these awesome lights. Really looks good. We painted the surround black. Really blacks out the truck. Looks good. Then if you work your way up to the top, we have a KC roof rack. We got a whole mix of things here. We got KC, we got Baja Designs. Both companies make great lights. We really love them both. We got the custom KC roof rack with the KC Pro 6 lights. Those stand out really good. There's some custom vinyl on it, and it really, really looks great. And then, of course, we got our full radio and comm setup in there because we took this thing out to King of the Hammers. There's a really loud car going down behind us that Jordan can't pan to because he's on a slider, but trust me, it looks really cool. He's trying, he's going for it. But he can't hear me now because the microphone's directional. Yeah. But we got our comm setup in here, we got the antenna on top, and yeah, we also have lockers in this in the rear. We put an ARB air locker in it because this started out not as an FX4, just a regular XLT Ranger. We kind of built it up to something a little better than an FX4. So we put that air locker back there, and it's great on demand, and that all runs through a Trigger 6 control system that helps run all of our lights, our radio, our air locker, all that runs through that system. That's really nice, works great, comes with a wireless controller, so it's